Hey everyone, if your n8n workflows aren't triggering as expected, don't worry. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step fix. So let's get started. First, check the trigger node. Make sure it's the right type for your workflow and configured correctly. For example, webhooks need the correct URL and schedule triggers need the proper timing. Even a small misconfiguration can prevent the workflow from firing. Next, make sure your workflow is activated. n8n workflows won't run unless the active toggle is turned on, so double check that it's enabled. Now, check your credentials. If an API key or account has expired or isn't valid, the workflow won't trigger. Update or reconnect credentials if necessary. After that, try running the workflow manually by clicking Execute Workflow. This helps you test if it works and lets you identify where the issue occurs. If it still doesn't trigger, check the logs or execution errors. They often show exactly why the workflow isn't starting, like missing data or a blocked node. Finally, restart n8n, stop the service completely, then start it again. This can fix temporary glitches that prevent triggers from firing. And that's it. That's how you fix n8n workflows that aren't triggering and get your automations running smoothly again. Hey everyone.